Comics, the Art of Storytelling. Welcome to CGMA's Comics, the Art of Storytelling course. There is no entertainment industry without storytelling. If you want to publish comics, mangas, or simply learn how to improve your character believability or environment background story, the techniques of visual storytelling are key to create a project that sticks in the viewer's mind. This course is designed to be an intensive introduction to comics and narrative, from the very first stage to having the comic printed. We will begin by looking at comics and storytelling, then create storyboards and compose our comic pages. We will go over techniques for inking, coloring, and even lighting and special effects. In the last week, we will also talk about how to promote your work and show your project to a publisher. Here's what you will learn. Week 1 is an introduction. What's a comic? Brief history of comics and storytelling, the most important comic authors in comics, reading and understanding the script. Week 2, you will learn how to break the script into pieces, frames and sequences and scenes, understanding what is essential in every comic case, the narrative rules and how to break them, and start building the primary storyboard. Week 3, you will start developing the storyboard, searching for reference, character and location design, concept and style research, and building the secondary storyboard. Week 4, shape, number, and frame location, comparison between European, American, Japanese narrative, symmetry, rhythm, and narrative, aesthetics of a comic page. Week 5, we will start doing reference research, objects and locations, building your comic universe and deeper learn the basics of drawing, perspective, proportion, and style. Week 6 is an introduction to inking techniques, black and white, clean lines, masses of black, and inking composition. Week 7, you will start your character design, creating the character color cards, applying flat colors, basics of color and light, tone and hue and saturation, opposites, warm and cold, positive and negative, complementary colors, different color schemes. Week 8 is an introduction to sound effects and lighting, Photoshop effects, overlay, multiply, etc., kinetic and movement lines, how to apply them, getting pages ready for the printing, showing your project to a publisher, understanding and use of the social media to promote your work. For the next 8 weeks, you will have the industry's best artist as your mentor, allowing you to rapidly improve your skills by having access to industry-standard training and information in a one-on-one mentoring environment. Each week, you will have access to pre-recorded content that you will be able to access and review at any time, followed with a challenging homework assignment that will be reviewed weekly by your mentor, allowing you to master the skills needed to get into the industry. Once a week, you will also have a live Q&A session where you can interact with your mentor and ask any question. The live Q&A will be recorded and you will have access to it at any time. I really hope you enjoy this course, and the CGMA team is excited to see what you will come up with. Register today at cgmasteracademy.com.